In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can start affiliate marketing with your blog. So make sure you watch this entire video to figure out which method is best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get up and running and start affiliate marketing on our blog. There are at least 4 ways to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. But before we get started, I just want to make sure that we know how to find affiliate programs. And there are tons of ways to find affiliate programs. Now, I just want to show you that there are literally thousands of affiliate programs that are on the market, but most people only talk about Amazon and Shopify and some of the big ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Ahrefs and I'm going to type in affiliate programs. So when I type in affiliate program, I'm going to click matching terms. And what you'll see here is there are thousands of affiliate programs out there. And so what we can do, I'm just going to delete the S off of that. And you're going to see individual programs. For example, we have Apple and Bluehost and H&M and Lowe's and Microsoft and Chewy.com. There are literally thousands of affiliate programs out there for you to make passive income. So you don't just have to focus on Amazon and some of the larger ones out there. In fact, what we can do is we can actually sort this by keyword difficulty of 5, just to show you that there are tiny brands out there that are willing to give away money. Wayfair, Hobby Lobby, Hulu, Nordstrom's, all affiliate programs that want to give you money. Another way to find affiliate programs is to go over to an affiliate network like Commission Junction. Now, an affiliate network is simply a middleman between an affiliate marketer and an affiliate program. The affiliate network will be responsible for payments, will be responsible for providing text links and other marketing material. They also act as a gateway into some affiliate programs. Now what you can do is you can jump over to Commission Junction or CJ.com. You do have to apply to get in. And once you submit an application and get accepted, you just type in your niche. For example, if we type in fashion, hit enter. And what you'll see here is there are tons of affiliate programs in the fashion niche. And what you can see here on this side, they pay a 12% commission. Some of these pay really good commissions, 50% commission at Adore Me clothing apparel. If we scroll through, you can see there is a lot of opportunity, and you don't just have to stay with the major players. You simply create the content, get people over to these affiliate programs, and you can make money. Now that we have covered the affiliate program side of it, let's talk about some of the ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing. The first and most obvious way is to simply add affiliate links straight to the product in your blog. You can embed them. As you can see here, I have some links. These could be affiliate links directly to Adore Me or whatever affiliate you're working with, whatever affiliate program you're working with. This is the most obvious way, the most straightforward way. And what you can do is you can type in something like click here to start a website, and this could link over to Bluehost, or click here to get the latest fashion trends. You want to make sure that you have a call to action that resonates with your target audience. Click here to learn how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, or some people have had massive success with this program. You want to make sure that you are adding a call to action that is relevant to your target audience. So that's the first way, the most easiest, the most obvious way. A second way, and I think a better way, is to actually collect emails. Now, email marketing, I think, is incredibly powerful for affiliate marketing because you can make money again and again with the same customers. And to get started with the email marketing, you can use something like GetResponse or even ClickFunnels. And what I have on here is simple HTML code where I'm offering a free training to help someone learn affiliate marketing. And when they enter in their name and their email address, they'll actually get added to my email database or email list, and then I can follow up with them with email marketing. And again, you can do the same thing with any niche, fashion, basket weaving, whatever it is. You can offer them something in exchange for their name and their email. And then you can follow up with them until your heart's content or they unsubscribe. So I think that's a better opportunity, again, because you can make money from them over and over again with not only affiliate marketing, but also selling your own physical and digital products. Another option is you can actually create a banner ad. Now, creating a banner ad is really, really easy, and you'll be surprised how easy it is. Now, you can create a banner ad that looks just like this, or you can create one that's long. It kind of looks like the banner ad that I have on my front page. This banner ad actually collects emails. Again, it's HTML, but you could use a website like Canva. We'll go over to canva.com. And you could create a banner ad with your custom dimensions and again, add a call to action. And you could actually make the banner ad a GIF where, it just kind of keeps moving or shaking. And what we can do is we can search and see if Canva has templates. So we're going to type in ad and you can see Facebook ad, feed ad, a video feed ad, leaderboard ad. We could let's do large rectangle ad. And what we could do is we could spend time creating this ad and put it right in to not only the sidebar of our website. If I click on how to make passive income cryptocurrency, this is our sidebar. We could put an ad right in our sidebar, or we can put the ad right here in these individual, we can embed it right into our actual blog. And it's really easy to set up. As you can see, there are templates. You can create your own with your own color and your own aesthetic. There are many opportunities, and it doesn't take that long. If you don't have an eye for design like I don't, you could hire someone over on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. So if we go over to fiverr.com, you can hire someone to create a banner ad. So banner ad, hit enter, and you will see there are over 6,000 people that will be able and willing to create ads for you. I will create a banner ads for Google Ads. That's not really it, but you can see $5 and you can tell them exactly what you're looking for. We can click on this and we can request an ad for as little as $5. Now what you'll want to do, and if I go back over to my website here, what you'll want to do is when you create a banner ad, make sure that you embed a link. For example, if I go to edit this post, what we can do once we get over there is we can click the plus sign right here. Then we can go to image. We can upload an image. So we would simply click on upload if we want to upload a brand new image. I'm just going to use one from my media library. And for example, I'm just going to click on this new one. And then once we embed the image, we can add in this link here and then put in the website of the affiliate program or even our email opt-in page. And it's really easy, really simple. And then you want to make sure that you always open up in a new tab and then click this to apply. But that is how you get started with the image. And then the final way is simply to just add a button. And what we can do is we can go back to, let's go to multiple income funnel review. We'll click on that. The cool thing is you can add a button. So we're just going to click this plus sign one more time here. We're going to scroll down, click this plus sign, and then we can go to button. Another option is to find plugins and have the plugin do it for you. So we're going to click on buttons, and then you can add in, let's say, click here to learn more or whatever it is. And then within the button, you can, once again, you can add in a link and then make sure you open it up in a new tab. Really easy, really simple. And again, you can add in just a direct link with a call to action. You can embed an image like an ad. You can do email marketing, which I recommend, or you can add in a button. Now that you know 4 different ways to start affiliate marketing on your blog, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.